Hello friends, today we are going to learn some basic information about sentence and types of sentences. We express our feelings and thoughts through words. We need words to speak and write. What is the meaning of sentence? A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. For example, I am a teacher. Now in this example, there are four words I, am, a, and teacher. And these four words make complete sense. So it becomes a sentence. Sometimes a single word can be a sentence. For example, go. Now here, the word go is equivalent to you go. Types of sentences. See the given tree diagram. There are major four types of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Again, an assertive sentence has two types: affirmative and negative sentence. Interrogative sentence has two types: WH questions and verbal questions. We will learn these types of sentences one by one. Assertive sentences. Assertive sentence is also called declarative sentence. A sentence that asserts or declares something is called an assertive sentence. For example, prevention is better than cure. There are two types of assertive sentences: affirmative and negative sentences. An affirmative sentence is any statement that is positive. For example, birds fly in the sky. A negative sentence expresses negation. No, not, none, never. Such words of negation are used in negative sentences. For example, he does not work properly. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. For example, what is your father? Are you a student? It has two types: WH questions and verbal questions. WH question. A question beginning with WH words is called WH question. These questions are asked to seek information. For example, where do you live? Verbal questions are also called yes no type questions. These questions are asked to get answer yes or no. For example, are you listening? Imperative sentences. An imperative sentence expresses a request, a command, a suggestion, an advice, etc. For example, please give me a pen. This is a request. Go away. This is a command. Don't run fast is a suggestion. Be careful is an advice. Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. A exclamatory mark is used in such sentences. For example, how beautiful the scene is. What a sad story. These are major four types of sentences. Now complete the exercise and check your answers with the help of given answer key. Thank you for watching.